Article 2, titled A Mathematical Cornucopia of Pumpkins, is about a 4-day investigation where students learn to measure attributes of a pumpkin. In this investigation, math and science are integrated. On the first day, the students took measurements of their pumpkins, finding its mass, weight, height, circumference, and diameter. Day 2, the students measured their pumpkin's volume by submerging it into a bucket of water and collecting the displaced water. They also made a cubic frame for their pumpkins. Day 3, the students used their seeds from their pumpkins to investigate if larger pumpkins carried more seeds than smaller pumpkins, and if larger pumpkins carried larger seeds than smaller ones. Day 4, the students used the scatter plots to compare their findings. Quote 1 reads, "At the heart of this investigation is the opportunity for students to gain confidence in asking their own questions and using mathematical tools and analysis to answer these questions. By allowing these students to come up with their own questions, they are able to further their investigations. Most important, they are able to make the investigations their own. They are taking control and finding solutions. They are also coming up with more questions to investigate as they go along. Giving the students ownership in their lessons motivates them to put a lot of effort towards their work." 2 reads, "For students who do not have a well-developed sense of conservation of volume, this experiment will be an eye-opener." This quote really stood out. There are some students that can read about any subject and have a clear understanding. Then there are students who get a better understanding through hands-on lessons. They need to be more active in their learning. This particular lesson is a great example of a hands-on experiment that helps students to understand volume. Quote 3 reads, "For investigations in mathematics and science to engage students, they must be fun." This is very true. To get the attention of students and to help them to further their investigation, the activity must be fun. While they are having fun, they are becoming curious and asking more questions. They are becoming confident in their work. Also, they are doing math and science work at the same time. For the culminating reflection, this investigation was a great way to integrate math and science. The students took measurements, made predictions, and came up with their own questions for investigation. This is probably the part that they enjoyed the most. They collected their data and compared it on spreadsheets and scatter plots, and in the end, they found the answers to their own questions.